Buen dia, good morning. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels, retired world bike tour. Thank you very much for joining me this morning. I've just been here at Border Bicycle, visiting with the owner Adrian, and they are doing some good business. And they are the best shop we have on the Upper East Side, El Paso, Texas. So I highly encourage anybody who's looking for alternative transportation, and as gas prices climb up, you're definitely probably thinking about alternative transportation. Or if you are wanting to address the ongoing cursed COVID-19 Delta variant pandemic that's going on, get a bicycle. Solo cycling is such a great way to stay healthy and to maintain social distance. Mask, inside you wear masks, but out here, outside, social distance, this is the way to go. Anyway, what I am doing is that I am starting my this video from here, and I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to go back out to Vista del Sol, the frontage road. Thank you. Gracias, thank you. A lot of cars coming. I need to be much more careful. This is Eastside Village, just south of Montwood. Right here, I'm signaling right because I'm going to turn right. Okay, let's see what we have here. Check traffic. Yep. I've got to creep out here so I can see what I can see. I'm going to position this so that I can, I don't know if you can see my rear view, but my rear view has good view of the road. There's a car turning in there. Okay. Here we go. Okay, here. Okay, good. Southbound on Battle South. And this is the frontage road for Loop 375. Excellent. And what I'm going to do is I think it's the next light, which is Vista del Sol. I will turn right at Vista del Sol. My intent is to there's a Mediterranean type eatery that I want to investigate. It's called gyros. I think that's in the gyro. Anyway, this is an excellent site. Very, very pleased. No scraping. This has worked out extremely well, just what I wanted it to. It had a little scrape going on the brake pad, and it is going down a little bit. This is good, and I still have excellent brakes. I'll leave a little bit taken off the 230mm rotor is a little bit warped. That's where the little scrape came from. So far, so good. Okay, get over here. This is good. Nice. So I'll be turning west on Vista del Sol. Coming up here very quickly. It has actually been a while since by America's High School, which is Florida School District. That little ringing that you're hearing is my bell. That's okay. But you can still hear a little. A lot of traffic down there, a lot of noisy traffic. There is still a little tick and wears down, but this is great. I accept that. That's good. Soul I'm signaling right hand turn with my left arm pointed upwards, then 9 degrees to the road. That means I'm making a left hand turn. I should make a right hand turn. Left hand turn, my left hand sticks straight out, parallel to the road. Show where I go, I do not know. My information may that have the gyros in the title. Edge, no, I definitely don't know. Medical. Well, I don't know, a little, won't be the first time I've been a bit mystified and confused. Well, definitely not the first time. Legends. Let's see. No, landmark. It seems like that's a sports bar, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I can try to take a second look around. Another shopping strip, which I maybe that's Pavillions I. Turbo, but I don't see anything. Where's its marquee? Right there's that marquee. I can't see. I don't know. So let's. Okay, let me find. Okay, here we are. Is that it? Okay. I'm a little disappointed I couldn't find what I thought I had found, but it won't be the first time. Probably, and definitely won't be the last time. Thanks for joining me on this short live stream